Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad that you're here with me today. If you are new here, my name is Brooke. I am a homeschooling mom of 3 boys, the owner of a company called the Finding Freedom Co., which is a Christian planner and journal company, a military spouse, and we are entering into our 4th year of homeschool. My boys are going into 4th grade, 2nd grade, and kindergarten, and we are so excited. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is our official day 1 of school, and today I'm going to be taking you through a video that's just giving you a behind the scenes of what it looks like to prep for not only a new school year, but just any Sunday prep that I do before a new school week starts. I'm going to be showing you kind of what that looks like. So we're going to be decorating. There's going to be a little bit of extra things that I'll be doing. So I'm going to decorate for the classroom for the year and just kind of give them a little bit of a celebration tomorrow, going through the workbooks, cutting out things that I need to make sure are cut out, all of that fun stuff. So if you need some motivation, some ideas, some encouragement to get your homeschool year prepped, I would love for you to get that here. I hope that you do. And I'd love to know when you're starting your homeschool year. If you haven't started already, or if you are getting ready to start, what is your start date? And how are you feeling about it? What are some of the homeschool things that you do to prep? Something that I wanted to share, if you haven't already downloaded, I have a free homeschool prep checklist. You can download it. I actually am going to be making an edit to it because I forgot one thing on there, but I've officially checked off all of the items on this list. I need to check off the last 2 actually, but I've done them. But if you're looking for something to help you kind of prep for the new homeschool year, make sure that you check this out. I went through a whole video that covered everything that's on it. The thing that I added was the letter of intent, which is what one of the requirements is here in Georgia. But I've officially completed all of this, so we are really in the final stages of just prepping the desk area, making sure that it's all nice and tidy and ready for tomorrow, going through the books for what our lessons are going to be tomorrow and kind of just getting mentally prepared for those, pulling out the read alouds that we're going to be doing and all of that fun stuff. So I hope that you'll enjoy this video as you come along with me as I get all of that set up, and I will see you at the end of the video when we have a little chat. Tomorrow is your first day of kindergarten. Are you so excited? Do you know what tomorrow is? Your first day of 2nd grade. I'm not saying it again. You can't jinx me.
I can't what you?
Are you excited?
No.
You're gonna be a kindergartner. 2nd grader.
I'm gonna be in a what?
2nd grade.
Huh?
Are you excited? Tomorrow is our first day of 4th grade.
Come on.
Ooh,
Why?
are you so excited? It's gonna be so fun.
Yeah, I'm excited.
going to conclude today's video. I hope that you enjoyed getting to watch a little bit of how I'm preparing for the new homeschool year. The cleaning checklist that I use that you saw me checking dots off, that'll be in the description box below. And all of the items that I shared, things like that, I'll make sure to put the links for those in the description box. I am praying that you have a wonderful homeschool year, that you take some of the things that you watched me do in this video today and implement them into your own homeschool if it fits your lifestyle and your needs. And I just thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys.